Hello, Paul Hamilton here from UTB. We're going to design our own desk. So the Design Desk Challenge in AR. So we're going to use some AR apps. Let's use our first one, which is going to be the Measure app, free on iPad. Measure your space. Get your students to measure their space and take a screenshot. You can actually look at those measurements. You can grab these little anchor points and adjust. That's the area that I'm working with. And after you've finished, have a look at the measurements, which is the little grid or the little menu on the right-hand side, and you can actually see what those measurements are. So let's bring in the maths. Let's bring in some dimensions and area and perimeter that we're working with. Then screenshot it and use the markup tools just to do a really quick, rough sketch. Get our students to think about the measurements that we're working with. I might want a little pot plant there. I might want a little globe that actually pops up in augmented reality. So we're getting to use those dimensions to kind of think about, okay, if that's 55 centimeters wide, what space have I got to work with? Maybe it's 15 centimeters or 20 centimeters. Get students to kind of make their thinking more visible in regard to using the markup tools with iPad. Super easy to do. Then what we're going to do is jump into Reality Composer. Brilliant app where we can start to look at those measurements, get really creative and start designing. Don't forget, with the basic objects, you can adjust the centimeters and the height so that you're actually building to scale. Let's use augmented reality to really think about the space that we're working with and apply our mathematical skills and understandings to the project as we get creative. And then finally, we can press the AR button and view that in augmented reality. Let's use AR in authentic and purposeful ways. Paul Hamilton here from Using Technology Better.